Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Ultimate solution of BBS or bar-bending schedule. Hello, I am PS Chatterjee with you. Today, I am going to explain you how we can make a dynamic data entry application with two-stage data transfer in Excel spreadsheet for the bar-bending schedule or BBS by the help of VBA. According to me, the ultimate BBS is the second most innovative presentation that I have produced. My first innovative presentation is my first video, Analysis of Trust by New Graphico-Analytical Method or GAM. I must wait for your valuable comments. Minimum requirements IS 2502 and Excel software. I am requesting to all of my viewers, especially to the civil engineers who are watching my video. This is not a general channel. It is a special category educational channel on structural design. Getting large number of subscriber, views, shares and comments is very much tough. But rule imposed by YouTube for all categories are same. Rule of the YouTube is not my problem because primarily YouTubing is my hobby. Not only you watching my video will quench the thirst of my heart. To keep my hobby alive, it requires 100% support from your side. No, I am not asking any monetary support from you. I can't understand whether my content is useful to you or not. Please do write some comment on content only, not on videography. Because good videography requires the involvement of money. You can collect any of my Excel sheet that I have demonstrated free of cost. First write in the comments, please send me ... Don't write your mail address or phone number. If you write, then YouTube will block the comment. Your subscription, like, regular comment, share will boost me and help me to grow my channel. Read the description box carefully for my mailing address. After receiving the mail from my site, don't forget to acknowledge me in my YouTube channel comment section, not through mail. I use this mail address for sending the file to you, not for bilateral communication. If you want to communicate with me, first mail the subject, then write in the YouTube comment section that you have mailed me. It will be easier for me to communicate with you. In ultimate solution of BBS, I have used lot of Excel tricks. It is not possible for me to explain all those tricks in a single video. So I am going to demonstrate the BBS application with little bit discussion. If I get 100 numbers of interested viewers, I am ready to start from level 0. If you are among that viewers, please write in the comment section yes and also mention the level where from I should start. I have listed below the meaning of levels. According to me, you should have some knowledge on Excel along with your engineering knowledge to use this type of application. Level 0, new for Excel. Level 1 can use formula and format Excel. Level 2 can use macros. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This type of bar called bend. Phi is equal to 90 degree. Here A1 is external perimeter, A2 internal perimeter. R is equal to 4D internal and R1 is equal to 5D external. Average of R1 and R2 is 5 plus 4 divided by 2 into D, where D is the diameter of the bark and average arc length is equal to A. Average arc length is equal to 5 by 360 into 2 into pi into R. that is pi by 360 into 2 into pi into 4.5 d. This formula is applicable for all the bends. This is hook, that is phi is equal to 180 degree. Same formula, this is straight length and this portion is 4d minimum. This type of hook, bend angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This portion is straight portion, this is straight portion, and the formula is same. This is table 2, hook and bends allowance as per IS 2502. This is Bardia, this is hook allowance, this is minimum, this is recommended. This is bend allowance, minimum and recommended. Types of bar as per IS 2502. There are 31 type of bar. Now I am switching over to Excel spreadsheet for the numerical calculation. Once again, welcome to my ultimate solution of BBS in Excel spreadsheet. This is our dashboard. This is type of bar. This type of bar is linked with this one. That means this is equal to this one. This is a small calculator to calculate the total number of bar or turns. Say spacing of bar 100 and length 3000 and 31. If it is 4500, then it will be 46. Now just click here like calculator, it will disappear. Once again, if you need 250 spacing in millimeter, length 4000, then total number of bar is 17. This is a formula. For each and every bar, there is a formula. What is that formula? L is equal to length, this is L. A is equal to this side, B is equal to this side. Plus Bn, here I have considered bending as Bn and hook as Hk. Minus 20d, or d diameter of the bar. Now first I am going to refresh the dashboard. Just clicking this, look, there is no value. I am going to give some value. Serial number 1, bar type 1, straight bar, place say S1, that is slab 1, number of units, so spacing say 125, length 3500, 29, number of unit 4, bar per unit 29, bar dia we have to select say 8. So we have to put here only length. See, this is green color, other cell are pink color. So we are not going to put any value here. Even if we put some value by mistake, calculation will remain same. It will not alter. So we have to put the value of L 3500. Look here, total length 4066. If you by mistake put some value here, 2500, no change will be there, but it will look awkward. So this portion is totally auto-generated. Do not try to change the value here. Now we have to transfer all this data to next sheet, that is on report. Now I'm going to transfer all this data to this sheet, that is report. Transfer. Okay. Look here. One thing. We have used 8 dia bar and length is 406 and weight is 0.021, 8 dia. Once again, after completing one entry, push the refresh button. Now, serial number 2, select bar type to place. Okay, P1 say number of unit 2, number of bar per unit 3, select bar dia say 10. Here also required L and hook is automatically generated. So we have to put say 3500. Now this is our result. Transfer this data to report. Okay, look here. This is under 10 dia. This is also under 10 dia. Similarly, number 3, select bar type 3, P2, numbers of unit 4, bus power unit 4. Here we required length is equal to 2500. One second, transfer the data. It will come in this position. Refresh once again. After refreshing, you will not get a formula, no remarks. Select the bar type, notification, select the type of bar, etc. Once again, put here serial number 3, select bar type 3, place say B4, number of unit 2, number of bar per unit 12, select bar dia 12, we need length only, length plus 2 HK, that is length 1250. So this is our result. Transfer this data, and this process by transferring all those data, when one stage will come when this is, it will fill all this cell. Then say 1, I'm filling all the gaps. Finally, we reached at the end of the sheet. First stage of data transfer. Now we have to submit all those data for submission. This sheet we are going to deliver our client. So just click here. All the data came to this sheet, and look here at the bottom. We have used 8, 10, 12 to bar, and this is length, and this is weight, and this is total weight. Now the big problem is here. You can delete all those data. We have to delete this data because for next set of data entry we have to delete this. Now the problem is to delete this picture. There is easy solution. So select, find and select, go to spatial, select object. Okay, all the object will be selected. Now clicking control switch, just click on these two pictures and delete. Your sheet is neat and clean. So come back once again to the dashboard and put some value here and transfer all those data. You will get a total report and then summation. So we have to little bit careful about refresh button. So I have written here number 2 button. It has to be pushed after transferring the data. I have left one cell in gray color, that is extra length if any. So if you require any extra length for adjustment, you can put here, such as this 4D length. This 4D length you have to put here. It is not included in this hook length. And that's all about my ultimate solution of BBS by two-stage data transfer. I hope you enjoy the ultimate solution of BBS. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also evaluate my performance with your valuable comments. Thank you.